Hey guys, right now I'm going to teach you how to make a free iPhone ringtone using GarageBand. My GarageBand is 08 because I have not updated it in a long time. So yeah, so just go to create new music project. We'll do ringtone 1. There you go. So once it opens up, we're going to click on this little icon on the lower right corner, the music note. You can choose your song. We'll do First Date by Blink-182. Perfect. Let me turn down my volume a little. So now we're going to drag First Date by Blink-182 over here, and it will convert it. There you go, there's First Date. Now, you're going to take the little red thing, and you're going to put it to where you want your ringtone to start. So let's play it. And this is where I want my ringtone to start. So once you get it to the exact place where you want it to start, go to track, or go to edit, and then go to split. And then when you want your ringtone to end, you do the same exact thing. So play it. And that's where I want it to stop. Now I go to edit. Edit. There you go. Edit. Split again. Now we can delete the back and delete the front, so we just have the ringtone. So here's my ringtone. We're gonna click on this little arrow so we get this blue line. We're gonna make a dot right here. We're going to bring this dot down so it fades in, so it's a lot smoother. So if you listen, it fades in so it gets louder, and we're going to do it on the back too. We'll do it, and it'll also fade out. If you can hear that. Now, this is the most important part. You have to click these two little arrows, so it cycles, so when the ringtone plays, it'll play over and over again. It won't just play once. So click that and drag this little yellow bar to match the end of the ringtone. So that when you play it, it will just restart again. So we'll start it from the end. There you go, so it restarts it. Now all you do is go to Share, Send Ringtone to iTunes. It will let it do its conversion. And there you go, then iTunes, and my ringtone is right there. All you have to do, thanks for watching. Zach.